Here's a list of 5 best YouTube channels on how to learn affiliate marketing in 2023. Matt Diggity. Matt Diggity's name is pretty much synonymous with affiliate marketing. Matt covers all bases of affiliate marketing, selecting a niche, doing keyword research, CRO, link building and upgrading a niche site to an authority website. His insights are based on rigorous tests, not hunches, and have proven to be of great value to thousands of affiliate marketers. Authority Hacker. Mark and Gail from Authority Hacker is the only duo on this list. Their YouTube content is essentially a video version of their podcast, which means most of their content is long form, often 50 minutes or longer. Their videos discuss topics such as creating content using AI, how to make money with Amazon affiliates, how to build white hat links and much more. Their content is quite long, but extremely engaging. Once you start watching one of their videos, you'll probably find yourself making it all the way to the end more often than not. Income School. Income School takes a bit of a different approach from Matt Diggity and Authority Hacker in the way that they actually share their affiliate projects. This is a very unique approach in the world of earning money online. One thing in which Income School really thrives is teaching you on is creating great content. This makes sense, given the fact they don't do any link building. So when checking out their channel, keep an eye out for the videos dealing with that particular topic. Another great channel to learn about advertising and affiliate marketing is Fat Stacks. Although John Dykstra from Fat Stacks earns considerably more money from advertisements than from affiliate marketing, there's still a lot you can learn from him. His focus is on churning out as much content as humanly possible, get a ton of traffic and slap ads on. I'm simplifying things here obviously, but that's what it comes down to. All of this means John is a master in identifying low competition keywords and targeting the hell out of those. Passive Income Geek. Passive Income Geek is run by Morten Storgaard. Just like the guys from Income School and Fat Stacks, he doesn't do any link building and overall has a very own auteur approach to SEO. For instance, he doesn't use tools like Surfer or even SEO plugins like Rank Math. His channel is great in particular if the prospect of constantly using SEO tools and building links is daunting to you and you're looking for a super clean approach to growing your website.